Hello, Joel and Adam and others watching. This is Torbjörn from Hedundadungen, Umeå. We had really lovely snow this morning, but now it's only left some on the roof. I was going here to play some disc golf, but the baskets were gone. So I record this instead. Thank you very much for making my mornings great by doing the sadhana together with me for 30 days now. It's really lovely. I'm always woke at that hour. And normally I lie in my bed in pain, heartache, loneliness, because my loved one is still good asleep. But now I get up. I never set an alarm clock. I get up when I get up. I really want to take care of my natural sleep. But I normally wake around 4 o'clock and I get up and join you in sadhana. And I think the exercises are just lovely. I really enjoy them. But in the beginning I had difficulties with meditation and mantra singing. First 5-10 times I went back to bed, continued listening in my bed, often slept off. But the last days I have been participating also in the mantras, and I enjoy them very much. I got lots of tension in my face, and it gets softer singing these mantras, which I all have learned by heart now, except the Rakkinahar one. I still have to look at the text. And of course the Japi, it's really Greek to me. By the way, what language is that written in? I would like to know, and it's on my bucket list to one day learn the whole thing, and because my plan is to continue on my own after these 40 days and learn and do this Japi, but maybe not so early in the morning, start a little bit later, and maybe my loved one has woken up and we can do it together. That would be great. My biggest problem has been the warrior pose, because it's totally impossible for me. I'm 67 and I have had problem with my left knee since I was a teenager, so I can only sit on my left knee for 1 or 2 minutes, and also my right knee, it's impossible to sit on it more than some few minutes. But you know this well-known furniture company, so was started in Småland. I bought a little pink plastic chair that is perfect, so I sit on that chair with my left knee bent under it, and I can take part in all 22 minutes, and it's really great. So thank you very much. Thank you, Joel and Adam. I found your yoga lessons, and I have taken part on your YouTube sessions hundreds of times, Adam, and I really enjoy that, and thank you so much. It's really made my day and my life. And once I had the opportunity to visit your studio in Värnamo some 2 years ago, or 3, I don't know. It was an amazing studio with a lot of amazing gongs. And this night I really had a breakthrough. Maybe that's because I had a really bad dream between 1 and 2 in the night, and I I was locked in a room in my... I grew up in Småland as well, and at that place I grew up, I was locked in a room, and some mean person was attacking me, and I had to struggle. I took a bicycle to hold up and protect myself, and at the same time I screamed, "Help, help, help." And that's something totally new. Normally I just scream of fear and wake up, but now I scream for help, which means I have a trust that someone, I feel connected to the world and think maybe someone will come and help me. That was really, and that I know that in my conscious mind there is help to get when you're grown up, but my subconscious hasn't known, or at least revealed that my subconscious also know that. That's why I in my dream screamed help, 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 and I was helped because my loved one heard my screams and crawled over to me and hugged me. So it was great to get up at 4 and join you in the sadhana. It was the nicest and best time so far, and I look forward to continue with this. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. We're going to continue the Kickass Sadhana. Have a great day. Bye bye.